Alam mo, kung motorista ka, huwag kayong mga away ng siklista. Pwede nyo isipin to, no? Yung siklistang nasa kalye. That could be mainit ang usapang bike ngayon, ano? There's this tweet or Facebook post ba yun na uso ngayon where the guy said this is with regard to bike lanes in EDSA. Tapos sa dulo may comment siya na kayo bumibili lang kayo ng mga 50,000 peso bike para may pang status kayo, something like that. And you must have read about that, you must know about this, no? Usong-uso eh. There's another thing when it comes to bicycles and EDSA. Ang contention ng mga non-cyclists, nabibigyan daw ang mga siklista ng bike lane pero hindi naman daw nagbabayad ng road tax. Man, there's just so much to unpack dito sa topic na to. And while I'm not really a confrontational person, hindi naman ako mapolitika na tao, I stay away from stuff like this, no? Kung ang tanong eh, kung may opinion ako, meron tayo niyan. Because people have asked me, and I've covered this, you know, in some way, shape, or form in my previous vlogs, no? Meron akong vlog about owning a status bike. Ano ba status bike? Kailangan ba talaga? I've covered the topics around bike lanes, how useful or useless they are, no? Meron tayo niyan. So, sige, yan ang i-table natin ngayon. Welcome to the program. You're watching Sean Bike. My name is Sean Santa Maria. It has been a while, I know. Tagal-tagal din tayong hindi nakapag-load. But guess what? From that last video to this one, marami ring nangyari. I've been so busy, no? At yung time na meron ako sa umaga, na-dedicate ko lang sa running because you know, sa schedule natin lately, I'm required to be back before 8:30. So I'd squeeze in 1 hour runs, 1.5 hour runs. Lumakas din tayo sa running kahit paano. Just completed my first 21K 1 week ago. Almost exactly 7 days ago. So naka 21K na tayo sa takbo, and I'm very proud of that. Siklista pa rin ako. That's never gonna change. And man, it does feel good to ride out. Kahit na hapon na, late tayo lumabas. Okay, we're gonna do something special today. Magdo-double dip tayo sa Victoria. It's somewhat a training ride. Preparing for a long one once again with the RCC. Samahan niyo ako. This is the Angreina. Okay? At yung area na pupuntahan ko is Victoria, as I mentioned. Kung taga dito kayo sa south, specifically sa Daang Hari, Daang Reina, Las Piñas, or Southwoods, malamang alam nyo tong climb na to. Lihim climb ang tawag in Barangay Victoria. If you want to know the route, just send me a message. Padala ko kayo ng GPX, alright? Maganda siya pang training, but I'll have you know that the conditions here aren't perfect. No, makipot siya, may mga aso, minsan madulas, but you know, gradient eh. Yun naman ang habol natin. Simulan na natin sa road tax, okay? Saan ba nag-appear yung road tax? It's not like you go to a counter and pay your road tax. Hindi naman line item sa income tax yan. It's not even baked into goods that we buy, di ba? Yung tax na nakapatong doon sa mga binibili nating mga gamit, pagkain. In any case, ang road tax na hindi daw nagbabayad ng siklista, mali ang mindset kung sino man ang naniniwala na ang siklista, alisan nyo ng bike lane yan, wag na kayo gumamit ng malaking kalye. Hindi naman kayo nagbabayad ng tax katulad namin mga may makina sa sasakyan. And there's one more thing that people have to understand when it comes to road tax. Yung binabayad dyan, hindi para makagamit, hindi future tense. Magbabayad ako ng road tax para makagamit ako. Hindi, nagbabayad ka dyan para may pambayad sa mga sira na naidudulot ng sasakyan mo. As a whole na yan, ano? Diba? Yung tax na yan, para may pera na pang upkeep ng kalsada. We're at the end of the arena. Look, there's a new coffee place here called Coffee Spot. Nakalagay sa pinto, open na. Ay, mapuntahan nga soon. Kid Indiano. It's a new place also. DR Bikes, Babas. Diyan pa. Para akong bago dito, ah. You know, it's been a while na rin siguro. 3 months since I biked here. Sama dito. I just passed the construction zone. So may isang bahagi ng yun na ginagawa. So bigayan. So side ko naka-go ngayon. So dito rin tayo babalik. Alam mo, kung motorista ka, huwag kayong mga away ng siklista. Pwede nyo isipin to, no? Yung siklistang nasa kalye, that could be one car less na nasa kalye na nagdudulot ng traffic. Tandaan nyo yan. Yung siklistang nakita nyo, that could be one person less sa loob ng jeep o ng bus na magpupuno ng bus na pwedeng ikaw pa ang nawala ng upuan kung commuter ka, diba? Sa mga fellow cyclists ko naman, cyclists on both ends of the spectrum, nagbabike dahil walang pambili ng kotse at yun yung nakayanan at yun yung practical. That's on one end. May nagbabike naman recreationally for exercise, high-end ang bisikleta, kailangan mamahalin lahat na nakakabit. May ganon. So, opposite poles. And everyone in between na siklista. Ang message ko naman, huwag tayo mayabang. Masalamat tayo na may bike lane tayo. Let's use it properly. Although ibang usapan yung may bike lane nga tayo pero pangit naman. Huwag tayo makontento sa pangit na bike lane. Kung maglalagay ng bike lane ang mga lokal, sana maganda. Sana napag-aralan. Sana hindi biglang tumitigil. Sana hindi puro manhole cover. Sana hindi puro yero at bloke ng kahoy, bitak-bitak, you know what I mean? That's for another conversation. May bike lane nga, pangit naman. Yung mindset na pawasok dito, basta may bike lane, hindi pwede yun. Dapat maganda. Anyway, balik tayo sa ating mga siklista. Huwag tayo mayabang. We're given a bike lane at the end of the day, and that's a step in the right direction. Kahit na pangit yung bike lane sa ibang area, kasi in fairness, sa ibang area magaganda. Pero kahit na pangit yung bike lane, it's a step in the right direction. Papunta na. Nagkaroon na ng visibility ang mga bisikleta as a not just an alternate plan D, E, F mode of transportation. Minsan primary choice na ang pagbibisikleta dahil nga practical, mura, mabilis, environmentally friendly pa. Anyway, pwede naman magka-harmony di ba? Respeto lang sa isa't isa. So look, I usually stop here before climbing, no? But today we're not gonna do that. Let's dive right in. And I realize yung video ko na nag-ride ako dito, nahuli. Hindi ko masyado na space out. That was kung sequence ng video sa pag-uusapan, that was pretty recent. Kasi ito na naman. So kung medyo may Victoria fatigue kayo, sorry. Oh, may rally. Takay ko po. Medyo na setback ako dun ah. Bike po, bike po. Thank you. Oh man, I was going for a PR. Baka wala na. Alright, now we stop. That's it. That was the climb. Na-PR ko kaya yun. I was going for a PR, to be honest. I was feeling good, no? Kaya lang doon sa gitna, nakita niyan yung mga bata, naka superhero costume pa yung isa. Yeah, easily 5 kids, 5, 6, 7 kids pasalubong sa atin, pabulusok so pwestuhan ang labanan. Nalampasan natin. I got my momentum back, so tingnan natin, baka PR, kung hindi, okay lang. That was a good workout. Obviously hingal na hingal tayo. And that was the goal, to simply get a good workout in. Nagsingit lang tayo ng ride ngayong hapon. Ikaw tayo na time. That felt nice.